All right, so then we have the warm-up is lasting about 3 minutes. Okay, during this time frame, it's going to start to contract your muscle. What you're going to do is you're going to hit this plus symbol to gradually ramp up the intensity. And what you can see is that the muscle starts to twitch.
Yeah.
Okay, you can just go forward right into the workout, or you can use the warm-up. Either way, I want you to continue to hit the plus symbol because we want to get this as high as we can. All right, so go ahead and keep hitting the plus. Keep going as high as you can get it. There's going to be a point where it's slightly uncomfortable, but we want to be right on that verge of discomfort / feasible.
What this number will keep going up,
It will.
and what is it's my own decision, right?
Yes, it's your own decision, but it's going to be most effective if you can get that number as high as you possibly can. It's not as important here in the warm-up, but it will be when we actually start the exercises.
I feel the pinch pain. So should I stop now or?
You can leave it there. If you get it up to 25, I think that's a good starting point.
Okay.
Within the session, you may find that it's more comfortable and you can go higher. And even across sessions, you may find that your tolerance improves. All right, just for intents and purposes, we're going to fast forward through the warm-up. So I'm going to have you hit this fast forward button down there at the bottom. Are you sure you want to skip? Yes. All right, now it's going to go into that workout phase where it's going to have a contraction phase and a relaxation phase. All right, so let's just give it a second here. So here it goes. So next contraction is going to start in 6 seconds. And now here comes the contraction. Okay, are you okay with that?
Yeah.
If you can tolerate it, what I want you to do is I want you to gradually hit the plus symbol so you can go higher. Now you can't hit the plus symbol when it's in a resting position, but when this bar turns red, go ahead. You want to increase that plus symbol.
Oh, that's a lot.
So then you're up to 25.
Okay.
Okay. And then it's going to relax. On this next contraction, when this turns red again, in about 3, 2, 1, I want you to contract your muscle as well. Go ahead. Squeeze your muscle. Nice and firm, just like you're doing on this side. I want you to accomplish that on the left. Great, and then relax. And during the relaxation, you want to give your muscle complete rest so it has opportunity to recover. And here it comes again. It's going to contract nice and firm, and you're going to squeeze on top of that. Try and get that muscle to be nice and tight.